Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I wanted to make a short video and talk to you a little bit about our course website. Some of you have emailed me and said that, hey, I can't seem to find the modules or the assignments. All I'm getting is the home screen, the introduction to the course. Well, the reason that's happening is because you have your web browser zoomed in. So there's a couple solutions to be able to see the actual modules. The first one would be that you would click on these three horizontal bars. These are called pancakes. Click on the pancakes, and then here are your course modules right here. And you click the pancakes again, and then the modules come up. So you got to click on the pancakes twice to see our modules. And so if you want to see module 1, you click on it, it'll come up. To see the next module, click on the pancakes, and you click on the next module. If you want to remember, if you want to blow your modules up so you can see them on one screen, one tab, if you click this arrow right here, it'll actually pop them onto its own page. So let's go back and we'll start over here. So when you log in, it looks like this. You're zoomed in, you can't find the modules. So what you do is you click on the three horizontal bars, they're called pancakes. And by the way, you'll see the rubric, you'll see the course syllabus, the course information, course calendar here, but here's your modules. Click on that. It gives you a description of the modules. Click on the pancakes again, and then your modules will pop up. So that's one solution to the problem. A second solution would be to zoom your screen back in. So right now, you can see mine is at 175. If I do the Control plus, I can zoom in more, and notice how it doesn't change. So at 250, if I want to go backwards, you click on the Control and minus, and it'll take you out. And at some point, when you get to about 125 or 110 or 100, it'll actually pop your sidebar up, so then you can see your modules right here. So there's a couple solutions. So one solution would be if you're zoomed in, you can click on the pancakes. Another solution would be that you can zoom back out. And an easy way to get to the best view is to push Control 0, and that'll actually put your window in the most optimal view. So there is your solution to the problem. Hopefully it helps you. If it doesn't, please let me know.